C3PO.
201, clear for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 14.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to find these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it.
Stand right there.
Don't you?
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before.
A fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
We just passed the end of the moon. Oh, look out! Got to fix those engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you. Kind of! Got me guts replaced. You go away, beastly thing! Go away! Out of center! The transformation.
I am Lando Calrissian with the Resistance.
General Calrissian. Nice to see a familiar face.
Well, it's good to see you too. And you too, R2. Listen, the First Order is rallying its forces. We need your help. A rendezvous with the coordinates I'm transmitting. Good luck.
Arthur, I really don't think we should work